The .45 caliber Tommy gun is one of the 20th century's most iconic weapons. The submachine gun became famous for the sweetheart of gangsters in the 1920s and 30s during the Prohibition in the United States. It was specifically developed for trench assaults during the First World War, but the weapon only got ready after the conflict was over. Its classic drum magazine held from 50 to 100 rounds, allowing for an incredible suppressive fire that frightened its victims. It was the favorite weapon of great criminals such as Al Capone and John Dillinger. Etched in the people's imagination is the image of mobsters carrying violin cases, inside which stashed these weapons. But even though this method of carrying a Tommy gun happened, it was quite rare. The Tommy gun would be further improved and become the standard submachine gun of the American Army during the Second World War in its M1A1 model.